Quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, goddamn!
Crafting with Cos, I'm Cos, and welcome back to Crafting with Cos. If you're back for and you're ready for another DIY. So in this project, I'm going to be basically showing how I did a Target inspired wreath. I was on the Target's website and I seen a wreath that I thought that I could easily create using some Dollar Tree materials, and it looks pretty much just like the one that I've seen on the website, except the colors are a little off. But other than that, it looks like a duplicate to me. So if you want to see how I created this Target inspired wreath using Dollar Tree materials, we can go ahead and go over the materials. But if you want to see other Target inspired DIY projects, just let me know, comment down below, and let's go ahead and let's get right started. So I decided not to use the gray in this picture, and I decided to just mix some black and some white to create gray. And so I started this project off by painting some of the white pumpkins. Some of them I painted yellow, and then some of them I painted gray. And then I found it easier just to keep them clipped onto the paper and just paint them while they were still attached to the packaging. And while the pumpkins were drying, then I decided to start working on the actual wreath and getting it completely covered in the Spanish moss. And then I started adding the pumpkins to the actual wreath using the skewers that I've used in a previous project and having the pointy side going inside of the actual wreath. I added about 7 packs of pumpkins to the wreath. And I just took out the clip that was inside of the pumpkins and replaced that with one of the skewers. Thanks so much for watching, and check out these other affordable DIYs on a budget.